hair loss is due to the kidney weakness. Some weakness.
Yes.
The theory is like that, no? You see, your body, the circulation of water in your body, 3 organs is very important. First is the stomach. Stomach will absorb the water. So the lymphatic system will push the water to the lung. Lung will store the water, so that through circulation the water will spread throughout the whole body. Then the kidney will filter the water. The good water will push up, The bad water will get out as urine. A person is weak in kidney system. The pushing up of the water become weak. They always feel thirsty. Or urination, they urinate already because water all below the border. As not enough water reach to the hair, reach to the head. The hair loss, the hair will lost due to malnutrition. That's why a person with a teary eyes, hair loss, they're very sure. The lung system is weak. Kidney system also weak. In this case, what they call cordyceps is very good. Cordyceps also very good. So we produce cordyceps just for this kind of problem.